We got some fun coming your way today. Squat jacks, single leg atomic push-ups, towel body saws, towel hamstring curls. Let's get that work. Squat jacks. We're going to start with our feet about hip width, and we're going to jack our feet out where we transition into a squatted position. All right. We're going to try to keep the core braced. If you need to breathe, I'm trying to breathe at the top so my core can stay as tight as possible through the squat motion. Single leg atomic push-ups. These had my number today. Today I used a towel to do these. If you have a slider, that works. Also, the reusable grocery bags. Core stays tight. Try to keep your lats engaged, elbows corkscrewed in. Do the best push-ups you can and pull that knee to the chest. All right, guys, for everybody that's asking me, what if I can't do the variations of push-ups you're doing? This is my best recommendation. If you can't do the variation of push-ups do a normal standard push-up. If you can't do a standard push-up, I absolutely hate knee push-ups because they do not teach you to keep your core rigid. So this is a variation called a push-up drop, where you slowly control the negative of push-up until your whole body touches, and then you use whatever you can. If you got to touch your knees to get up, and then control again as slow as you can on the negative. Body saw, again, using that towel on the kitchen floor. It should work on a carpet as well. We are going to start with the elbows underneath the shoulders. We're going to lock the core in. We're going to squeeze the glutes again for the pelvis position, and we're going to lock the quads in. We're going to actively push our body back, which will give us a eccentric contraction of the rectus abdominis, which could elicit some soreness. If you're feeling your back, the further back you get, just limit the range of motion. Then we have towel hamstring curls. You might be familiar with these on a physio ball or a stability ball. We're just trying to keep the butt up off the ground. We're going to pull in with the hamstrings and then straighten the leg again. I try to go until I have a slight bend in the knee. I don't like going to a full lockout position so we can keep constant time under tension on the muscles. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. We're going to run 4 rounds, and we're going to keep this party going.